Welcome everybody back to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily and you do not want to miss it. In today's video, we're going to take a deep dive and talk about the Macy's American Express credit card, why it's important, especially for those on the credit building journey and those trying to rebuild their credit. This card is phenomenal. I'm going to have a lot of data points for you, tips, tricks, and strategies on how to use it, and who else doesn't want to have a great card for Christmas? So we're getting prepped up for the holidays, and I wanted you guys to know about this card. But before I do that, I want to give a huge welcome to all of my first-time viewers. If this is your first time viewing my channel, thank you so much. I don't take your time for granted. My whole goal with this channel is to have all stuff and no fluff, full of data points and helping you get high credit funding in your credit journey. And for all of my radical marketers, salute. You guys are blowing up the channel. I couldn't be more grateful for you. Smash that like button, throw a comment in right now. Let's get this video out to the masses so everybody can win in their credit journey. And last but not least, I have a private Facebook group that you guys can join. Link in the description below. That group is crazy. It's got a bunch of credit gems. We do it every single day, and my Radical Marketer Instagram is about to really pop off. We're going to be doing giveaways, and there's going to be a lot of content on there. And you can send me your credit question in a DM. So add me on Instagram. Both links are in the description. All right, so we're going to get into this Macy's credit card, why it's important, and what you need to know about it. First of all, I want to throw out the speculation here. When you see this American Express on Macy's, this is not actually an American Express credit card. Okay, this is basically a co-branded credit card of one of the largest department stores in Macy's. Shout outs to New York, right? Everybody loves Macy's in New York. And Department Store National Bank, which is a subsidiary of Citibank. You guys know I love Citibank. Some of you guys are Citi haters, but I'm a huge Citibank fan. So this is basically two powerhouses coming together and then using the American Express platform, just like a Visa, MasterCard, Discover. American Express is also a network platform, not just a bank. So this is not going to actually be an American Express credit card. It's just going to be on their network. So I wanted to get that misconception off of there right away. As far as who they're going to pull from, they are going to pull from Experian. Now, let me tell you why I love this card. So this is one of the few cards that can upgrade. So there's a store card version, and there's an American Express version. When you apply for the card, you're either going to fall into three categories. You're going to get flat out denied, you're going to get approved just for the store card version, or approved for the American Express version. But the greatest thing about this is, even if you get started off with the store card, with on-time payments and usage, it can automatically graduate into the American Express version of the card, where you earn more rewards, you keep your credit line, you keep your credit history, and you can get credit limit increases on this card. So I just want to let you guys know that off the bat. Now, you could say, well, why would I want this credit card? I don't want to really get a bunch of store cards. People, this is, if you're going to get a store card, this is what you should get. And here's the reason why. I wish I would have known about this card when I was starting off my credit journey. There has been data points with people starting off with a $1,000 credit limit and having a $25,000 credit limit by the end of the year. You literally can do soft pull credit limit increases. You guys know how I am. Never get a credit card unless you know if you can do soft pull increases on the personal side. So you can do as many soft pull increases as you want, just like the Apple card, just like the Comenity and Synchrony cards, and really get those limits high in your profile so other lenders want to give you high limit funding as well. So there's been people with $1,000 starting off to $25,000 by the end of the year, and there's been people that have credit limits of $55,000 to $60,000 on this card based on the forums. So I've also had a lot of you subscribers ask me to talk about this card because it's helped you all as well. If you ladies and gentlemen have this card, can you put in the comment section below, what were you approved for? Where are you at now? What were the data points when you started? How do you like the card? I think this is a really valuable card because obviously you're going to be able to do, the store cards will upgrade, number one. So as long as you don't get denied, you're in the win. Number two, you're going to get a primary trade line from a bank. So it's not going to be like a fintech consumer account. This is going to be a bank issued credit card that's going to look really, really good on your file. It's not just going to be a store card that you can only use at stores. You can use this Amex card anywhere in the world. Now, also, I talked about the massive credit limit increases. This is going to also be a great reward category. So the more you use your card, obviously, let me see where the graph is at for it. You can move up the ranks into silver, gold, and platinum. There's also going to be open a Macy's card and get 20% off. There's always an intro offer as well there. You're also going to get 3% cash back and rewards at restaurants, including delivery, 2% back at gas stations and supermarkets, and that's 2 points for every dollar spent, and then 1% back in rewards everywhere else. Now, you can kind of go through the categories here. The other thing that I want to let you guys know is it has no annual fee, which is amazing. There's star passes and star money bonus days, so there's a lot of cool things. If you guys are avid Macy's shoppers or you love Macy's, and if you don't love Macy's, maybe you shop there more with this card, because they're obviously going to send you like a birthday surprise, perks and offers, bonus deals when you spend this much money here, this much money there. And it's just going to be a card that I feel people can overall use, whether they want to go to Macy's or they want to use it at an outlet store or whatever the case is. As long as you use the card within 6 months, you should be able to be well over $10,000 to $15,000, hopefully, in a credit limit increase as far as credit limits go. Now, there is some cons to this card as well. This is going to be, if you even go to the credit here, no annual fee, but the interest rate is going to be crazy on this card. They don't actually show the interest rate on it. So if you carry a balance, this is not a card that you want to carry a balance on whatsoever. This is a card that you only want to use like a debit card, and you want to be able to pay it off in full every single month. And the other negative is this is going to go against your Chase 524. So if you're trying to get approved for Chase credit cards, which you guys all know should be one of your first few cards that you get after you get your first revolving, I actually would recommend this for your first revolving card. Okay, if you can't get this for your first revolving card, I would definitely use this. Even if you only get approved for the store card, if you have no credit, sometimes that's better than bad credit. So in this situation, if you have no credit, bad credit, you have a good shot at getting approved for this card because it's a low entry barrier to get approved for it. But even if you don't get approved for the Amex card, you get the store card, use that, work your way up, get a product change into the Amex card. That's only 1 in 24, right? And then what you can do is you can go at Chase with a high limit. If you had one credit card with $10,000 to $15,000 on it, that's going to play real nicely for you when you want to get the Freedom card, or you want to go for the Sapphire Reserve, or whatever the case is. It's just you're going to look a lot better going into underwriting with one credit card with that and not having any bad credit. Or if you have bad credit, this is going to be a way to put some positive trade lines on your report. So that's basically the other thing is that's pretty much it. You guys can look down here a little bit more if you guys want to and read through this disclaimers. I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. But I highly recommend this Macy's card. If you are starting off your credit journey, repairing your credit journey, or you just want to get a high trade line on your account, this could go all the way up to $55,000 to $60,000 that I'm seeing. And it is a hard pull from Experian. But I think this card, even if you have good credit, you could use this card, especially during the holidays, Black Friday, Christmas. So just about being prepared and knowing what you can get. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe. Hit my private Facebook up. Join that. Add me on Instagram at Radikal Marketer. Spell it with a K. Both links in the description. I'll throw this link in the description as well. Throw up a fire emoji if you like the video. If you love the Macy's card, let me know about it. Give me your credit question. Just throw a comment in the comment section today. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.